Alright folks, here comes Amtrak San Joaquin bound train 713. This train will be headed to the next stop, Oakland, London Square, Oakland. This is the Comet car set coming in, the Comet car set, with a Comet charger leading this one off, an SC44. Comet charger is 2105 leads all. Give it up for 2105 and the MPCU 90278. Tell it in the back. Oh boy. Alright folks, we'll be right back after these commercial breaks. Okay, we're back right now. So this is Amtrak 713 San Joaquin bound train departing Emeryville station. 2105 is the Comet charger leading off of the Comet car set. This train has a diverted green signal, so he's gonna be diverting track right now. Next stop for that train is Oakland, London Square, Oakland, the final stop. 9278, 90278, MPCU. I don't know why you guys call it a stalker, but that's a good F40 engine. Alright then, alright folks, that train is off to Oakland, London Square Station. That train will be returning back at 7:18 on the way back, later on in the evening. I'm Marcel Hall, still more to come on this Sunday rail fanning. I know you guys are upset about the 49ers loss, but it's okay. We still got the best record in our book. So I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye-bye.